Hi everybody, my name is Alex and welcome back for another story. A very interesting fact about nature is how colorful animals that live in the ocean can cope with predators. Like, for example, if you take an animal on land that's very bright and colorful, there could be more predators because they can spot them in the wild way more easily. They can spot their red and bright colors as they don't blend in with the nature. But in the ocean, it's all completely different because ocean animals can still cope with predators just like on land, but with being colorful. So, how does this happen? Well, first of all, colorful animals down in the ocean are very close coral reefs. Coral reefs are very colorful and they have many different sorts of colors such as yellow, red, and orange, and any color you can think of. Usually in nature, on land, there's only green or brown, which is the color of wood, or maybe darker colors like gray and black. But inside the ocean, there's a lot of colors, not just for dark blue, but second of all, for a lot of vibrant and beautiful colors as well. Moreover, as the following, the ocean water can be also very deep blue. And the ocean water, first of all, usually coral reefs are very deep. So if animals like fish that are very colorful live in the deep coral reefs. And as you get deeper, the sunlight rays will start to fade and fade. So they can't go and transform to the and to the bottom, the real bottom of the ocean. That's why it's very deep blue, and predators with their sometimes with their very bad eyesight, like sharks, can be hard to find for prey, such as fish, crabs, and other animals that are hiding in coral reefs. And second of all, their vision is not good, and the colors of the sun and the colors of the ocean are not very good in the deep because there's not much sunlight. So add a few particles there, and also predators usually catch animals and prey in coral reefs that are very far away. So combined with short eyesight and dark blue deep water with no sunlight and the vibrant colors that coral reefs also have, combined lastly with the predators and how they catch the prey in their distances, make the predators not see the prey that is far away. So because of the light from the sun. The light from the sun, as I mentioned before, can only reach the surface of the ocean and cannot reach the bottom, the deep blue bottom of the ocean as well. But there's a catch. It can also reflect on the colors of the coral reefs. The coral reefs could also be darker depending on the sunlight that the predators and their vision and their eyesight and how good their eyesight is. So the coral reefs will also be like on land, mostly black and gray and not much colors as well. So is the fish and the other animals that are hiding in the coral reefs because the sun cannot reach it in the deep blue. Well, there could be some problems with this technique because first of all, fish with very colorful colors also can cope with a lot of things that are also very useful. That's why being an ocean animal is very good if you find the perfect place. It is colors are very useful for doing things like dating, and also finding food, and then looking for prey, and also they're also very good to to show that communication and to show that this animal is toxic or if this animal is edible and not that toxic. and if this animal is dangerous or not. So colors are very useful. And we are actually slowly diminishing the vibrant, colorful, beautiful animals, the ocean animals that live down in the ocean. Because in the coral reefs, first of all, man-made chlorine and other chemicals that are toxic can kill the coral reefs and leading to animals that are stuck. And animals that are stuck can, well, be eaten by predators and can be more easily found. And second of all, tall places that form in the cracks of mountains can also ruin it because if it's too close to the surface, sunlight will get in, making the predators see the coral reefs and the prey more closely, so the prey will get eaten. Being a fish is awesome, unless there is problems. Like anything can't be perfect, such as in the Great Barrier Reef. Well, in the Great Barrier Reef, the coral reefs are slowly diminishing and being demolished because of us, humans. Humans put toxic chemicals like oil and other things into the ocean that can spread deep down into the ocean and kill many prey, thus causing other predators to die too. And it will also be more hard for fish and other prey animals that could be eaten by predators, more hard to adapt and survive in that environment, making them have to migrate or even get killed. So be careful out there, protect the environment. And also, we will feel very sad if all these plants and coral reefs will be gone. And that is the end of this video. And thank you for listening. Thank you for for informing me about some research about this video. And thank you for listening. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'll tell you more facts about the environment and other things as well. So, again, thank you for listening, and stay tuned.